Smoke detectors are indeed required in a home theater room. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, provides specific guidelines regarding smoke detector placement in residential buildings. These guidelines are designed to ensure early warning of a fire, giving occupants time to evacuate safely. The NFPA code mandates smoke detectors in several key areas. Firstly, inside every sleeping room. Secondly, outside each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the sleeping rooms. And thirdly, on every level of the dwelling, including basements. It's important to understand what constitutes a sleeping room according to these codes. While a room might not be explicitly designated as a bedroom, if it has the potential to be used as one, it generally falls under the requirement for smoke detector installation. A home theater room, especially one that is large and potentially usable for sleeping, is often considered a space where a smoke detector is necessary. The presence of a closet within the home theater room further reinforces the need for a smoke detector. Closets can be potential fire hazards due to the storage of flammable materials or electrical malfunctions. A fire originating in a closet can quickly spread to the rest of the room and the house. Even if the home theater is not currently being used as a bedroom, it is prudent to install a smoke detector as a preventive measure. Future use of the room could easily involve overnight stays or temporary sleeping arrangements. Having a smoke detector already in place ensures continuous protection without requiring additional installation later. When installing smoke detectors, it is crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and local building codes. Detectors should be mounted on the ceiling or high on a wall, away from corners and obstructions that could impede smoke flow. Regular testing of the smoke detectors is also essential to ensure they are functioning correctly. This typically involves pressing the test button on the detector to verify that the alarm sounds. Batteries should be replaced at least once a year, or more frequently if the detector indicates low battery. There are two primary types of smoke detectors: ionization smoke detectors and photoelectric smoke detectors. Ionization smoke detectors are generally more responsive to flaming fires, while photoelectric smoke detectors are more sensitive to smoldering fires. For comprehensive protection, it is often recommended to install both types of smoke detectors in a home. Interconnected smoke detectors are another important safety feature. These detectors are wired together so that when one detector sounds an alarm, all the detectors in the house sound an alarm. This provides an early warning even if the fire originates in a different part of the house. In addition to smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors are also essential for home safety. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly. Carbon monoxide detectors should be installed on every level of the home, especially near sleeping areas. Homeowners should also develop and practice a fire escape plan. This plan should include identifying 2 escape routes from each room and designating a meeting place outside the home. Regular fire drills can help ensure that everyone in the household knows what to do in the event of a fire. Fire extinguishers are another important tool for fire safety. Every home should have at least one fire extinguisher, and residents should know how to use it properly. Fire extinguishers are classified by the type of fire they are designed to extinguish. Class extinguishers are for ordinary combustibles such as wood and paper. Class B extinguishers are for flammable liquids such as gasoline and oil. Class C extinguishers are for electrical fires. A multipurpose ABC extinguisher can be used on all 3 types of fires. When using a fire extinguisher, remember the acronym PASS: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep the nozzle from side to side. It's also crucial to maintain your smoke detectors properly. Firstly, test them monthly by pressing the test button. Secondly, replace batteries at least once a year, or immediately if the detector chirps, indicating low battery. Thirdly, vacuum or dust smoke detectors regularly to remove dust and cobwebs that can interfere with their operation. Fourthly, replace smoke detectors every 10 years, as their sensors can become less reliable over time. Local building codes and fire safety regulations may have specific requirements for smoke detector placement and maintenance. It's essential to consult with your local fire department or building inspector to ensure that your home is in compliance with these regulations. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in fines or other penalties, but more importantly, it can put your family at risk. Ultimately, smoke detectors are a critical component of a comprehensive fire safety plan. By understanding the requirements for smoke detector installation and maintenance, homeowners can significantly reduce the risk of fire-related injuries and fatalities. Remember, the small investment in smoke detectors can provide invaluable protection for your family and home. In addition to adhering to NFPA guidelines, consider these best practices for optimal smoke detector performance. Firstly, install smoke detectors on every level of your home, including the basement. Secondly, place smoke detectors inside and outside of sleeping areas. Thirdly, ensure smoke detectors are at least 10 feet from cooking appliances to minimize false alarms. Fourthly, interconnect all smoke detectors so that when one alarms, they all alarm. Fifthly, test smoke detectors monthly and replace batteries annually or when indicated. Sixthly, replace smoke detectors every 10 years. Seventhly, keep smoke detectors clean and free of dust and debris. Remember to consult your local fire department or building codes for specific requirements in your area. Staying informed and proactive about fire safety can save lives and protect your property.